Today we are going to be mixing and applying Bora-Care, a powerful borate concentrate that will protect your indoor and outdoor lumber for years to come if applied properly. For a successful application, you will need a powerdrill, mixing attachment, solution pump sprayer, mixing bucket, and PPE. Bora-Care can be used for indoor and outdoor applications. We are power washing this live edge wood because we reclaimed it from an abandoned pile and it was very muddy. Before applying your solution, ensure your lumber is clean and dry so the wood will properly absorb the product.
Bora-Care is supposedly supposed to be the best product on the market for ridding wood of termites and wood-boring beetles. Now, it's really, really thick, and mixing it is a little bit of a process, so we're going to go through that right now. It's recommended that it's 1-to-1 ratio. I'm pouring half of this out because I've used some before, so I'm just going to get it in here, my mixing bucket, and as you can see, it's very thick. Very, very thick. And you might be wondering, wow, a lot of that's going to be stuck in the bottle. Yes, that's true. Later on, we're going to pour some of the water from there in here, shake it up and rinse it out. And they recommend you do that 3 times. They call it the triple rinse method. So for now, we got majority of the contents out. All right. I've pre-measured this water, and also for mixing, to make mixing easier, they recommend warm or hot water. And I've tested it out. It definitely makes a difference. I highly recommend using warm water. All right, here we go. We're gonna leave a little behind for the triple rinse method. Okay. We should be using our PPE. Should have had these on before. The best way to mix this is you get your screwdriver, electric screwdriver, and you put on an attachment like this, like an egg beater attachment or a mixing attachment for either like mortar or paint or whatnot. A key thing is you don't want to let the attachment hit the side of the bucket because it can create plastic chips and that can clog your device. So we're just gonna go in here, mix it up. Real good. Next, I take the attachment off or whatever you're using and go through and manually ensure that the solution has become homogeneous, that there's no cloppy or gloopy sections.
Once your solution is thoroughly mixed, you can then pour it in your sprayer.
All right, look at that. That's a solid solution. Now we're ready to spray.
Bora-Care states that you want to spray enough solution to dampen the surface of the wood. A few gentle passes is generally enough. For best results, Bora-Care recommends you like and subscribe to our channel. With 1 gallon of Bora-Care, I was able to treat all of this lumber, front and back. Once you are done with your application, let the solution set in for at least 3 days before it gets wet, or you seal it. For outdoor applications, you must seal the wood before 6 weeks or the solution will dissipate and no longer be effective. Once you are finished, make sure to rinse off all of your gear. Bora-Care will crystallize and can damage certain equipment.